Sorry. So according to the UPS app, I'm supposed to get the delivery on end of the day Monday. And the last thing is departure scan. But now let me just refresh this page. Oh. Anyway, I've accepted it. I signed. I got it. Here it is, the T480s. Woo! Okay, let's open it. Sorry, I don't have a knife to hand. Sorry, this is the most pathetic. Ow! This is the most pathetic. Okay, wait. And this pops, baby. Yes. Okay. It's got this thing. Here it is. Ooh. Exactly the same form factor as the previous one. What else is in the box? What is that? Warning. Safety. Brown boxed it. Cool. USB-C. I like it. UK plug. Actually, just out of curiosity's sake. Just out of curiosity's sake. Oh, this is this. I got the 65 watt version, by the way. There was two options. I don't know. I just went for the higher one. I don't know what the lower one means even. Okay. Oh, I'm very curious if this will charge my MacBook Pro. Let's see. Okay, it's got the bunny ears. Okay, this is out. Can you see that little lightning bolt there? It's charging. It works. That's cool. Now I can charge both my laptops using the same goddamn thing. Awesome sauce. Okay. Back to the unboxing. Ooh. Let's quickly get another angle going. Okay, another angle. There's a red security seal, which is just about to break. So stylish, these guys, so stylish. To avoid danger from suffocating, whatever. Ooh. Finished on the top looks exactly the same. ThinkPad logo looks exactly the same. Ports. What the hell? That looks quite small, that network port. What? Oh, it's not a it's a telephone port. Wait. What on? What? What is? Huh? No. Oh. Oh my gosh. You see that? That is the weird. That's the strangest port thing I've ever seen. Can you see that? Focus. You see that? That is strange. That is new. That is definitely very new. Well, the way it pops up like that. That's remarkable. I'm amazed. I'm astonished. Sorry, it doesn't take much to astonish me, but I like that a lot. I find that very interesting. It's like a design innovation. It goes level. It goes level. Wow, wow, I'm impressed. Okay, next thing. Well, this is power here. I'm never sure what this thing means here. What is this? Sorry, what is that? Okay, this is power. I guess this is some sort of Thunderbolt docking thing. Whatever. HDMI out, USB, micro USB. Micro SD for the. I like that a lot. SD card. And a single USB on the other side. Okay. Just comparing this to my T480s. The speaker grills look the same. The distribution of the vents is quite different. What is these two things? Oh, there's no dock port. There's no docking port. No dock port. And the feet are quite different. Gone are the big round ones, and there's now quite thin ones. There's a sort of loose SIM card slot at the top. What do you call it? The bezel? No, not the bezel. Axle. It's the same. This looks the same. Exactly the same form factor. Okay. Let's plug it in, shall we? Plug it in. I was expecting a light to show up. Now it took its time. Now it's showing up. Okay, let's open her up. What the? Huh? Oh, it has one of these like privacy guard things, whatever they're called nowadays. You can, I guess, have the camera, the crappy misaligned 720 camera looking at you, or not. What innovation. I think I'll just leave that on or off. Oh, this is different. This is different. The power button is... Wait. Where was the power button? I think it was on the very... Yeah, it's far right here. And here, it's just there. Okay. Actually, it looks... Wow. The keyboard has some scissor icon on print screen. That's what I noticed. Firstly. 8th gen. Little sticker here. 8th gen, 8th gen. Front screen, scissors. See that? See that? Oh, T480s. The button. No. Oh, there's this Lenovo thing. I don't think I've noticed that before. Quite weirdly done. Quite weirdly done. Okay, let's go into the BIOS, shall we? What is it? F1, F12? I can never remember. Entering Lenovo Diagnostics. Okay. That doesn't. Just show me what I have. System information. Okay. T480s. i7-8850 at 1.8 gigahertz. Let's see if we can train it on there a bit. Display LG 1440 R444. Interesting. 16 gigabytes of RAM by Samsung. DDR4. No, one is Micron, the other one is Samsung. It's somewhat interesting. Storage. Okay. Where's my Arch install USB key? Oh, here it is. Okay, home. F12. Don't boot Windows, please. BIOS setup, utility, yep. Entering setup. Let me push this back so I can arrange it a little better. Arrange. So, as you can see, BIOS date 2018, end of January. Thunderbolt 3, what is the options here? BIOS assist mode. Interesting. Interesting. Okay, security. I need to turn off secure boot. Secure boot can get stuffed. I think I'll just leave it at the defaults. Okay, I got Arch right here, ready to rumble. What am I doing? SanDisk Extreme. Yes. Come on, Archie. Oh, and let's also plug in the network, shall we? What the? Actually, this is annoying. The network port's on the other side of the bloody... I don't have a... it's not long enough. Oh, it is. It is. Get this out of the way. Oh, I need to plug it. It's weird how it's upside down now. Hello. Internet works. Okay, let's just end it there. I hope you enjoyed that unboxing. Please like the video and all that jazz. I'll be installing Arch a little bit later. Bye.